Now you can take the photo there, mandala. This is the meditation color. Meditation color. White background. Sadhu, 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 sadhu.
The when you go to everybody's temple, you can see the entrance of floor for the half and the full round that called mandala. Do you know what's the meaning? I can explain for you. The first floor we call for the fire. Second floor, different circle animal. You can see elephant, cow, lion and the horse. Call for you. Look.
Oh.
Girlfriend.
Call you. Look. The elephant, cow, lion and the horse. Elephant is very helpful, sir, right? The cow, he do hard work like Paddy Field because he's before life, he do some bad things. That's why he born again this life. That's the bad karma. You know, karma, yeah, like that. The lion, powerful animal. The horse is power. The third floor, some flower design. That calls Lord Buddha speak, no fight, no war, the peace, peaceful. The fourth floor, the swan, like a pelican. You can put the milk and water. The pelican only drink milk. It's very innocent and very clever, very intelligent animal in the middle for the lotus flower. That calls our life is not end for the reincarnation. Beginning fire, step by step go to the middle, we call nirvana. Nirvana, the wheel of the life, for the heaven, for the God especially. That's a good. Tea time.
No, it's good. Tea time there.
Thank you, brother.
Like Sri Lanka very famous for the tea, sir.
I love Sri Lankan tea. It is so good.
This one very beautiful behind the lights, sir. See? The tea time schools are all done by the